Hello all, welcome to my channel Coding 24 by 7. My name is Harshit and this is the second lecture in this series of Python programming. So without any further delay, let's begin. So before we move forward, do like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out upcoming lectures. Now let's have a look on today's agenda. In this particular session, I will start with the downloading and installation of Python, then followed by setting path in environment variable, and then finally we will print welcome to Python in command prompt. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, then just type www.python.org and hit enter. Alright, now you have to just place your mouse on downloads and then select appropriate platform according to your system. Mine is Windows 10 64. So guys, you can see here the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.8.2. So I will select Windows x86 executable installer. You can select accordingly. Now click on it. Okay, so download is started. So guys, it has been downloaded successfully and I have changed its location from downloads to desktop. You can see here. Now it's time to install it. For that you need to double click on it. Click on run. Now the following window will appear. Go for customize install and let this add Python 3.8 to path because we will set path manually after installation. Make sure that all features are checked. Now click on next. The following window have a list of advanced options. So make sure that the first box is checked. Here you can see the default location of Python. Guys, you can change the installation location, but I will go with the default location. Now click on install. Just wait for installation to complete. Alright, so guys, we have successfully installed it. Now we will try to open Python on command prompt. So just type cmd. To open Python, you need to type Python. Oops. Now it's saying that the Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So do you know why? Because we have not set the path for Python in the environment variable. Now the time has come to set it in environment variable to make it accessible everywhere in the system. For this, you have to right click on PC and then go to properties. Then on the left side you can see advanced system setting. Click on it. Now click on environment variable. So guys, here you can see that we have two options to set path. One is for current variable and second is for system variable. So I am going to select it for current user. For this you have to click on new. Now you can see variable name and variable value. So just write path as a variable name. And for variable value you have to click on browse directory. And then choose Python from where it is installed. So I have selected Python. Then click on OK. Alright. Now we have almost done. Just close all the windows. Now again click on search and type CMD. Write Python to test whether it has successfully installed or not. So guys, you can see that we have successfully installed path for Python. Now let's try a simple print statement. Here I am writing welcome to Python. Alright, so it's working fine. So this is all for the today's session. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.